Hey, what's up guys? Into this video I want to show you a brand new strategy on how you can trade binary options. So if you're new to the channel, leave a like on this video, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification so you know when I upload new content. So without further ado, let's get into the strategy. So the first thing you want to do for this strategy is add your indicators and your oscillators. So the indicators we're going to be using today is called the SMA. So you can see we have an SMA of 6 with the blue line, SMA of 14 with the yellow line, and SMA of 26 with the red line. So also we have the MACD with standard settings. So let me put that for you. 12, 26, and 9. We have the MACD of 12, 26, and 9. So how do we use this strategy to make trades? So let me show you a quick example over here. You can see that the blue line crosses the yellow line upwards. You can see. So once the blue line crosses the red line upwards, that's when you make an up trade. When the blue line crosses the red line downwards, that's when you make a down trade. So let's make some trades. So you can see over here the MACD, the green line crosses the red line upwards. You can see here moving average, blue line crosses the yellow line upwards. So you make a trade. Immediately you see the blue line touching the yellow line and the red line, this red line is above, you make a trade upwards. So let's check another example. You can see over here blue line crosses the yellow line downwards. So before the blue line crosses the yellow line downwards, you would have seen a MACD crossing. So the MACD green line would have crossed the red line before you can see this movement on the blue and the yellow line. So the most important part of this video is for you to make a down trade. For you to make a down trade, the red line must be below the blue and the yellow line. So this red line must be below the blue and the yellow line. So when it makes the cross, it must be below. So when you want to make an up trade, before it makes the cross, it must be above, just like this one. It's above, and this is crossing this, it's above that. And you can also see the MACD. So you can see this strategy is really good. It works really well. So let me show you exactly the point where you have to make your trades. So to make your trades, you need to be very, very careful and very specific. This strategy works on a 2-minute time frame with a 2-minute expiry. So your 2-minute chart, 2-minute expiry. And it also works on a 5-minute chart and a 5-minute expiry. So you can see we have a 5-minute chart. We're going to change this to a 5-minute expiry. So if this were to be a trade I wanted to take, let me zoom into this so you can see clearly. Oh, sorry for that. So you can see this. When this blue line touches the yellow line, this is when we take our trades. When the blue line touches the yellow line, that is on this candle right here, this green candle, that is where we're gonna take our trade. So let me just cut the long story short. Before you make your trades, the MACD crossed. So once the MACD has crossed, you can take your trades immediately. But that isn't the best option. We need a confirmation. So the confirmation you will need is the blue line getting closer to the yellow line. You can see here. The blue line got closer to the yellow line, and now we can make a trade. So if we made a trade here for 5 minutes, it would have been a win because this candle closed bullish. So let me check for this example also here. So you can see over here, MACD cross, you can make a trade here. As you can see, I think it would have been a loss because we didn't make a confirmation. So the MACD doesn't mean you make your trades. When the blue line gets closer to the yellow line, that is when you make your trades. So you make a trade here, it will have been a win because this is where it touched the yellow line. So I hope you guys understand this video. So there will be more strategies showcasing this. There will be more videos showcasing this strategy. I hope you guys find this video helpful. If you did, please leave a like in the description. leave a like in the video below and subscribe to the channel. So I'll see you when I see you guys. Bye.
Exclusive.